Is this Ashutosh Bansal?
Ashutosh Bansal is the grandson of Sachin Bansal, who founded Flipkart. And Ashutosh Bansal wants to fund your company that you want to quit after you start, from Genpact. Is that what you're getting to?
This is Myntra, Ashutosh Bansal.
Acha, Myntra. Acha, Ashutosh Bansal. No, Myntra nahi hai. $1 billion. $1 billion bloody dollars. Infosys. It was your question. All right. All teams up? You'll bang your heads when you know the answer. Oh, hang on. How many in the house? German there? 1, 2. Can you stand up, sir? Can you stand up? No. Sit down. Yes, sir. Naveen Tiwari, and which is his company? Anybody? Yes. Arey nahi yaar. Naveen Tiwari Flipkart ka nahi hai. Yes, sir. Super answer by these two gentlemen. Naveen Tiwari of InMobi, the company that's giving Google AdMob the run for their money. All right. Round of applause. Two prizes each for this gentleman. Naveen Tiwari of InMobi, a Bangalore, a bread company. Huge success story in the country, in the arena of mobile advertising. InMobi. All right. Fair enough. TI? Yeah?
Now design.
What?
I said now design.
Now?
Design.
Now design. You want design? Texas Instruments. Okay. What else do you want? You want to talk about your chips? Are they functioning well? Yeah? Hopefully. People, are you on i5? That IS5? That iPhone 5? Are you on that? You're on that, yeah? That's why it's not functioning. Okay. Anyways, TI, of course. Yeah, one of the companies I love. Great products by them. You want design, and design is up for you. Yes, open it up. This is a patent. United States Patent Office. This is a design that is patented in 1954 or 44. Okay, October 18, sometime then, 54 maybe. Yeah, it's a patent certificate actually. We've just cropped off something. It tells you patent for certain features of the design. What are we talking about?
This is the Batmobile.
You like comics, games? Yes? You play a lot of time, playing, video games and all the stuff online? Do you?
Don't get time.
Huh? Don't get time? Yeah, we believe you. All right. Batmobile is 10 points. Batmobile. This is the original design of Batmobile. Yeah, Batman's car. This is actually a patent. All right, kid you not, this is actually a patent that is owned by the German who actually designed that. Okay, which team is this? Is TCS? You have Indian PSUs or you have quality? You want to go with Indian PSUs? It's coming up for you. Current affairs. Yes, go for it.
NTPC?
NTPC is a superb, awesome answer. He's stunned. Yeah, so am I because it's wrong. All right, it passes to Genpact.
Is it Gale?
Is
Gale,
it
Gale.
GAIL or Chris Gale? Infosys Pune will definitely know about Chris Gale, right? You remember the match? Yeah, Bangalore versus Pune. I've been trying to meet Pune people after that. Now my chance. All right, yes, go for it.
Steel Authority of India?
Passing.
ONGC.
Oil and gas is the category that we are talking about. Golden Peacock for HSC, ONGC is right. ONGC is right. 10 points to TI for getting ONGC right. Hum Safe campaign, actually has the ONGC logo too. And the category was oil and gas. Okay, I said in its category. The category was oil and gas, not thermal power plants. We have one question on the buzzer. Okay, one question on the buzzer, which is on quality. Open it up. Which quality guru? TCS.
Philip Crosby.
Super answer. Philip Crosby is plus 10. Philip Crosby is plus 10 to the teams. All right. Now, I will, before I come to the audience part, this round is over. All right. We'll look at the ABG-AV. Yeah. Can we have the ABG-AV on? Chill teams. Don't need to look so tense. right, ladies and gentlemen, that of course was the video from the Aditya Birla Group. May I now call upon Ms. Tinaz Rohila, Head of Ascent Bombay, on stage, please, ma'am, to felicitate our chief guest, Mr. Dilip Gaur, Group Executive President, Birla Copper from Aditya Birla Group. Sir, can you join us on stage? Okay, all right. Now, let's go back to the quiz. The first round of the quiz is over. We will have the question, which we call the Aditya Birla Global Manufacturing Leadership Program's question of the round for one lucky winner in the audience. Are you with it? Yes. Question number 1 on screen for you now. Yes, all right. Hang on. Don't shout at the answer. Don't shout at the answer. I see 2 ladies there. 2 ladies there. Yes, ma'am.
Momentum.
Momentum is right. Come over and see your prize. Is that the laughter of sorrow? Ki mere ko nahi mila prize. Okay, all right. Okay, how many prizes do you have? Do you have enough supplies of prizes? Yeah, we have. Okay, fair enough. Yeah, if you have to beat them up, beat them up. That's not my problem. Yeah, yes. All right. Okay, let's move on. I think we have one more audience question. Yes. Next, press enter.
I got an early script. I read it, my wife read it, and we were kind of abhorred by it. And if somebody else has started a creative process of designing something, writing a script, you don't come in and, push them out, and it's got to be this way. There's no way you can correct it. It was a hard job. Secondly, I just did not like certain things in that script at all, some because they were so wrong from the truth.
All right, sir. The guy in the red shirt. Up, baith jao. The guy in the red shirt. Yes, stand up, gentlemen. Yeah, stand up. Both of you, okay, and the gentleman there, stand up. Your question is, identify the tailor who made the dress for the lady there. Yeah. Not that he had much work, but anyways. Yes, sir, bolo. Bolo, मैं engineer हूँ. If you ask me about fabric quality production, I can tell you. What? Steve Wozniak is the tailor?
No, the guy in the...
No, he's the guy?
The guy in the suit over there.
Oh, the guy in the suit over there. This is the only guy who can identify other men in suits when there are beautiful looking women around. All right. Steve Wozniak will get your prize. Steve Wozniak will get your prize as well. You agree? Don't know, can't say. Okay, fair enough. A prize for you as well on Steve Wozniak. All right. Moving on. Let's see if we have another question. No, we don't. Okay, guys, this round, okay, is on the buzzer. Okay. Now you have plus 10, minus 5, okay? I think you've got 7 questions, 6 or 7 questions, okay? All of these questions are text-based questions. Fair? Fair chance to all the teams? Question number 1 on your screens now. All right, Genpact.
This is Wilfredo Pareto.
Wilfredo Federico Damaso Pareto, the Pareto principle, also alternatively called as the law of the vital few, used pretty much in mapping and also in quality. 80-20 principle, what we know commonly, right? Yeah? Look at that, 80% of us hanging around, 20% competing, winning all the prizes. Not fair, no? That's why I make sure I give you a lot of prizes. Okay. All right. Can we neutralize the buzzers? Okay. Plus 10 to Genpact on getting that right. Question number 2 on your screen now. Infosys.
Carnot.
It's not Carnot. I know what you're talking about. It's not Carnot. It's actually an ideal dash cycle. It's a cycle. Anybody? Yes. Brayton Cycle. Brayton Cycle is absolutely right. 1, 2, 3. 3 prizes for 3 gentlemen here. Sir, do you work for GTRE or something? Oh, you work for nuclear power. All right, okay. NPCIL? Round of applause. The nuclear scientist, of course, in this quiz. We're very proud of you. As a country, super answer on Brayton's cycle. Okay, question, and somebody gets a -5 on this, no? Who answers? Yeah, Infosys gets a -5 on this. Question number 3. Asetu Himachalam, from Cape Comorin to the Himalayas. Whose motto, whose organization, okay, GenPact again.
Is it the Border Roads Organization?
BRO, Border Roads Organization. You don't need to clap because that's not right answer. -5. -5 to GenPact. Think about it. 3-word answer. Again, think about it. Civil engineers, you definitely know, you probably sell to this company. One of the largest and one of the oldest ever scientific organizations in the country. One of the founding members of this organization was George Everest, after whom the Everest mountain is being named. Not L&T, not GSI, not Shapurji Palanji, not TIL, not Gammon. The name starts with S. Infra, no? Survey of India is a super answer. Asetu Himachalam, from Cape Comorin to the Himachals.